Shane, could you start off by just telling myself and my guests a bit about your research career so far?
Sure. Thanks for having me first, Jordan. Yeah, I would say one of the first things I'll tell you about my research is I basically research a number of things, which is quite wide. And I think it's one of those things you have to do when you're in a unique environment like the Caribbean. So I have research that focuses on biochemical education, where I'm trying to improve visual literacy and how students are able to understand kind of the images that they see in biochemistry textbooks. Then at the same time, I'm also researching uterine fibroids in Afro Caribbean women, and these are benign masses that grow in the uteruses of women. And those masses really have impacts on quality of life for those women. And we're trying to identify if there's certain genetic markers, whether it be single nucleotide polymorphisms or some small things that change in a person's genetic makeup that could affect their ability to process a hormone or a vitamin or something differently. And the last area of research that I focus on is actually how organisms respond to extreme conditions. So there are lots of environments where organisms live in some really extreme conditions, whether it be high salt concentrations, high heat concentrations, or lack of oxygen, and how those organisms cope biochemically with those scenarios is very interesting at a mechanistic level. So what I mean biochemically is I think everybody always hears about proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Kind of how those organisms deal with those major molecules is really interesting.